Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with the January brown sugar box unboxing. I've decided, because I've attempted to record this a couple of times now, but the camera keeps saying that I'm running out of storage space. So I've just unpacked everything out of this month's box so that I can zoom through it a little bit quicker. So there's a new brown sugar baby on the front of the box. There is a DVD on generational wealth and how to build wealth. There is this month's January magazine that is all about, focusing on the start of the new year. And then one of my favorite items from this month's box is the Reclaiming My Time sleep mask. The next is a Sugar Shack card, good for a free bath bomb. There is a Reclaiming My Time notepad so that you can decide what brings you joy. What are you doing for self-care? What are you saying no to today? What are 5 things that bring you peace? And make a list of quotes that provide you with encouragement. So that's there. There is a sleep shirt in this month's box, and it says wake up, pray, grind, repeat. There is a short sleeve tee, and there's the image. It looks like she's got on, they almost look like Batman earrings. And then there is also a floral satin kimono robe, and it looks like mine is actually in the same color pattern as what is in the book here. So that is this month's box. And again, here is the sleep shirt. There is the kimono and the image on the graphic tee. So there is the sleep shirt, and it is a long sleep shirt. It's short sleeve, and it is in a one size fits all, and it's a very, very soft cotton. So I really like this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get ready to pack it for my business trip next week. And then here is the kimono, and it is absolutely beautiful. So great on those pamper days when you're, lounging at the house, or maybe doing a mask or painting your nails. That is absolutely beautiful. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.